University announced today the location of a new College of Medicine, and this education expansion could mean some good for both downtown Buffalo and Western New York healthcare. Well, here is a rendering of the proposed School of Medicine headed to 285 Delaware Avenue. We are told the first medical school at Dieuville will help address the primary doctor shortage nationwide. The Association of American Medical Colleges says that the U.S. could face a shortage of up to 48,000 primary care physicians by 2034. In New York State alone, more than 27,000 physicians are expected to retire in the coming years. And the Delaware site could mean more work back into downtown Buffalo. City officials say since the COVID-19 pandemic, our once business hub has lost upwards of 30,000 workers. A domino effect sent dozens of local businesses and restaurants relocating. If approved, Dieuville predicts more than 700 students could be coming into downtown daily. And to deeper understand the impact the School of Medicine could have, our Theo Castro de la Mata shares the voices of the president of the future school and a local business owner.
And this program is really focused on growing the number of primary care physicians that we have in Western New York.
The Dieuville University President Lori Clemo says the opening of a new osteopathic medical school in downtown Buffalo will help address a nationwide problem, a shortage of healthcare providers.
We know that across the country, we have a shortage currently of 48,000 primary care physicians. In New York State, every county but 2 has a shortage of healthcare professionals as well.
And a reason for that shortage, Clemo says, is a shortage of medical schools producing the next generation of doctors.
We'll be the 3rd osteopathic program in all of New York State. We'll be the 2nd in Buffalo, doubling the number of physicians that will be trained in this region. So part of it is the difficulty of getting into medical school and the commitment that it takes on the part of the student for that length of training.
And that new program will call this building home. 285 Delaware near Chippewa, once home to M&T Bank, will soon become Buffalo's next medical school.
It will mean in logistically 720 students that will be downtown, will be living downtown, will be using the restaurants and the coffee shops and attending the cultural events that we have downtown as well too.
I mean, it's the heart of the city, right?
Jay Mano owns Frankie Primo's and Soho just around the corner. He says a project like this is exactly what the doctor ordered for downtown.
You know, it builds confidence for sure. You know, I mean, it's one of those things, you know, between Dieuville coming there and now Ingram Micro going into the old Highmark building, so that's another, I think, 1,500 people or so down here.
The rewards are going to be huge and transformational, really, for our community. Close to $2 billion is expected to impact our community through the addition of this program.
Clemo says the Dieuville expects to welcome its first class here in the fall of 2026. Althea Castro de la Mata, 7 News, Buffalo.